Happiness, gracious day to everyone, especially to our STEM guests, classic and aristocrats. I am overwhelmed with indebtedness to be called to receive this accolade. I believe in a saying, it isn't the challenge that defines you, it's what you do with it. For the past 10 years in the field of education, yours truly encountered difficulties and challenges, but the most demanding and stressful provocation is handling high pressure situations. There were occurrences that I grasped that includes critical issues and concerns which came from internal and external factors. To overcome the high pressure situations, exploits time management as well as prioritization of every task. I always remain placid, stability under pressure, finding doable and feasible solutions through collaborative effort with colleagues. And every undesirable phenomenon ensued, I always establish practices and principles significantly. These are challenging the process where I gander ways that will greatly help to enhance the school community, pointing out the best objectives to achieve goals while speculating risk before, during, and after the process. Elevates every aspect in decision making that negates failures, which may derive to upset probability to success, and enable others to act for collaborations with a team, non-partisan leader to the community, and transparency, which in every decision, planning, and action is being shared with the members. As a full-fledged individual, you are being chosen to receive this educational leadership award, leadership qualities that the school community recognize and commended this prestigious award cordially. These are the vision, adaptability, decision making, empathy, communication, and integrity. Vision as a leader, inculcating the one-way path and clear objectives to attain the common goal. Adaptability as a leader, we must subsume change, specifically now in the world where technologies influences the school community. Being equipped with strategies and trainings will prosper the team to success. Decision making, filter, align, weigh, and circumspectly in every diverse comment, suggestions, questions, and addendum to attain the common goal and to succeed it. Empathy, well-being of every member of the team that needs to be considered as a leader. While considering empathy, effective communication to the team is a must to a smooth understanding of every member. Nevertheless, integrity, as a cornerstone of trust in leadership, I consistently uphold virtues and norms to every team member, which might set conscience that will foster an environment honesty and trustworthiness. As a teacher and recipient of an educational leadership award, you need to bolster the precious award. According to Santa Maria, states that there are stages where you can sustain your leadership journey. These are leading without a title, supervising, managing, empowering, and influencing. To conclude, embracing and adjusting to new challenges as a leader, making a positive influence on those individuals, and deriving happiness from these endeavors every day is truly the objective of a good leader. To end, let me embed the epigram: be mindful, be grateful, be positive, be true, be kind. Once again, a glorified day to each and everyone.